In this video, I'll guide you through how to apply paragraph styles to your headings and then use them to build a clean, automatic table of contents. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set things up so your contents page updates itself whenever your document changes. Let's start with your headings. Before you even open the table of contents tools, make sure your document structure is in good shape. That means your chapter titles, section headings, and any subheadings are all using consistent paragraph styles. For example, you might decide that chapter title is used for main chapters, section heading is used for major sections within a chapter, and maybe another style is used for smaller subsections. Go through your document and apply these paragraph styles to each heading where they belong. This step is important because the table of contents relies entirely on these styles to know what to include and how to organize it. Once your headings are styled correctly, you're ready to build the table of contents itself. Go to the Layout menu at the top of your screen, then choose Table of Contents. This opens the Table of Contents settings window. Think of this as the control center where you tell your document which styles to include and how they should appear. Inside this window, you'll see an option to add or manage the styles you want included. Look for your heading styles like chapter title and section heading and add them to the table of contents. You're essentially saying any text using these paragraph styles should appear in the TOC. If you have multiple levels of headings, make sure they're all added and confirm each one is assigned to the correct level, such as level 1 for main chapters and level 2 for sections underneath them. This will control the hierarchy and indentation in the final table of contents. Next, choose the formatting for how your table of contents will look. Here you can decide whether to show page numbers next to each entry, whether to use leader dots connecting the text to the page numbers, and what general style the list should follow. Take a moment to think about readability. Page numbers are usually helpful, and dots make it easier for the eye to track across the page, especially in longer documents. You can also choose how the text itself appears in the table of contents, such as font size and indentation, often by selecting a built-in TOC style. When you're happy with the styles and formatting, click OK. Your cursor should be placed where you want the table of contents to appear, usually at the beginning of the document on a blank page. The table will be generated automatically using the headings and page numbers from your document. If something doesn't look right, you can always undo, adjust your settings, and try again. As you keep working on the document, you'll probably add or remove sections, or your content will shift to different pages. Instead of rebuilding the table of contents, you can simply update it. Whenever things change, go back to the Layout menu and choose Update Table of Contents. The existing table will refresh to match the current headings and page numbers, keeping everything accurate with just a couple of clicks. That's all you need to create and maintain a professional, automatically updating table of contents based entirely on your paragraph styles.